हेलो इंजीनियर्स, राधे राधे। आप सभी कैसे हैं? मैं आशा करता हूँ आप सभी अच्छे होंगे और स्वस्थ होंगे। सो इंजीनियर्स, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this channel we are going to discussing about multiple instruction in RS Logic 500 English, and what is the use of multiple instruction in RS Logic 500 English software, where you have to use the multiple instruction in RS Logic 500 software when you have to use RS Logic instruction. So engineers, let's see. And in this video today I have covered about multiple instruction in RS Logic 500 English software. So engineers, before starting this video, means I have to make some content on it, multiple instructions. So you have to note down in your notebook and for नोट्स। सो इंजीनियर्स मल्टीपल इंस्ट्रक्शन को कैसे यूज करते हैं? मान लीजिए दो वैल्यू को आपस में गुणा करना हो, व्हेन यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई टू वैल्यूज टू ईच अदर, देन यू हैव टू यूज मल्टीपल इंस्ट्रक्शन। So let's come to the content and let's see. Multiple instruction in PLC. The MUL also known as multiply. Multiply को MUL को multiply बोलते हैं या multiplication बोलते हैं. Is an instruction which will perform a mathematical multiplication. ये mathematical multiplication up to integer or float. जो इंटीजर वैल्यू और फ्लोट वैल्यू को आपस में मल्टीप्लीकेशन कराता है. दिस मैथमेटिकल इंस्ट्रक्शन विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड ओपन द रजिस्टर specify in source A and source B. Have the result stored in within the register specified in the destination field. Source A and source B, where you have to multiply two value, and the result will become in destination value. And this is the block of multiplication instruction. Is multiply source A, where you have to like as 5 into 4. The source equal to 5 and source B equal to 4, and when we have to multiply 5 into 4, then our output will be result 20. मीन्स सोर्स ए की वैल्यू 5 होगी, सोर्स बी की वैल्यू 4 होगी. जब दोनों को आपस में गुणा करेंगे तो रिजल्ट क्या आएगा? 20 आएगा. रिजल्ट क्या आएगा? 20 आएगा. Introduction, multiplication instruction. The mul is multiply and which will perform instruction. So register as source A and so result in the spy in the destination. This is a fundamental PLC instruction which is frequently used for स्केलिंग पर्पज. एक्चुअली इसका स्केलिंग पर्पज के लिए हम लोग बेसिकली पीएलसी में यूज करते हैं. ठीक, स्केलिंग लाइक एज एनालॉग वैल्यू. दिस नीड अराइजेज क्वाइट फ्रीक्वेंटली व्हेन डीलिंग विथ एनालॉग सिग्नल. मीन्स ये मतलब मतलब फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज होता है विथ एनालॉग सिग्नल. क्या है? लाइक एज एनालॉग सिग्नल प्रेशर ट्रांसमीटर, अंडरस्टैंड, फ्लो मीटर and many more. Pair with other mathematical instruction, the multiplication can be powerful too for an array of different application. मैथमेटिकल में सबसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो इंस्ट्रक्शन होता है बहुत पावरफुल टूल होता है. ठीक, इसका ज्यादा यूज करते हैं एनालॉग वैल्यू के लिए. डाटा टाइप्स अलाउड फॉर मल्टीपल. एक्चुअली डाटा टाइप्स अलाउड फॉर मल्टीपल इज इंटीजर एंड फ्लोट. इंटीजर वैल्यू इज इंटीजर टाइप and float value will be a float type. So engineers, I hope you understand the content of multiplication instruction. Let's come to RS Logic 500 English software. Then I have to describe about it. So engineers, before starting, I have to press F1 and details of multiple instruction. Use the multiple source A and source B, and this is a value. Here we have to just और सभी माइक्रोलॉजिक प्रोसेसर में यूज होता है. ठीक, यहाँ पे सोर्स ए और सोर्स बी की वैल्यू होती है. कांस्टेंट वैल्यू भी हो सकती है या कोई भी एड्रेस कंटेंट हो सकता है. एक्चुअली आप इसे पढ़ लीजिएगा और मतलब कैसे यूज करते हैं. सो इंजीनियर्स, आई हैव टू जस्ट कवर अबाउट इच कंटेंट इन MS Word PDF. Now I have to download this program, and here I have to put value as like as 5, and here I have to put value like as 4. Understand? No. So engineer, let's see. Now I have to put download this program, then then you have to go to run mode. After that, Yes. Now engineers, let's say I have to here I have to 5 into 4 equal to 20. Source A value is 5 and source B value is 4. So when you have to multiply it, then our result will be 20. Then I have to place toggle bit, then result will be 20. So engineers, I hope you understand what is the use of it. And now I have to change this value like a 10. Then our result will be 40. Let's see live example. When I have to place, then our result will be 400. When I have to put 400, then result our will be 4 of 4 times 0. So it is so maximum value. So it will be not take faulted. Actually, it's come into faulted. Then I have to press 4. Then now it in a faulted mode. Go. Actually, it come into faulted mode. Download this again. Enjoy. You understand why faulted will become. And yes, now I have to put 500, then 400. Then it will be also go on faulted mode. No, now I have to put 4. No, 500 and 400. Then I have to paste all bit. There it will be faulted mode. Go. No, actually, bigger value is not will be take. Download this program. Oh, yes. Then I have to go to run this point. So when I have to toggle play speed, the result will be 20. So engineers, I hope you understand what is the use of uh, multiple instruction in RSLogix 500 English softwares and what is the use of it and where you have to use this instruction. So engineers, thanks Radhe Radhe for watching my video.